While anyone with a valid ID can make an account on the Health Data Nexus, to grant access to the data on the platform, we'll need to verify your identity. You can do that by credentialing your account. I'll click on the right arrow next to my username on the top right corner of the screen and click on the Settings tab. Here, I can adjust my account settings. I'll go to the left bar to the tab that says Credentialing. And I'll follow the link to submit my application for credentialing. Now I just need to fill out the information on this page and review the code of conduct to submit my application for credentialing. Don't forget to include a reference. If you're a student, you'll need a reference, and this can be your supervisor or a professor. Once I'm done, I just click Submit. A data steward, that's me, will check daily for new applications and approve correctly filled out forms.